Welcome to Meetchess. Let's explore the features of Assistant Coach. Let me log in. So in the Academy menu, the students will be listed over here. The students assigned for this sub-coach will be listed over here. So you can assign the puzzles, automatic puzzle set. The big number can be updated over here for each and every student based upon the level of the student. And puzzles is nothing but automatic puzzle set for 98 weeks, which will be available over here. Initially, it will be blank. You need to click on import, select all puzzles, click on import. Then it will be available over here. This is exclusively for sending automatic assignments, automated assignments. And if you want to create your own puzzle set, you can create it with big number or without big number as you wish. The curriculum will be updated by the main coach. The main coach will share the respective chapters with the assistant coach. So the assistant coach can share it with their students. Say, for example, you want to share this one with all the 3 students. Yes, you can already, it's already shared. So you can just click on it. You can go to the student window. Yes, that's been already shared. So it is available over here. So what a student can do, student can click on view. They can see the example of this. And they can do the exercise from here. Yeah. And if you want to take a session, so click on create. Say, for example, you want to take a class for advanced. So select the number of students. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it, and you can notify by email. You can send it. If you don't want, you want to start immediately. Yes, click on save. So you can click on join. Let me log in as a student. Click on join. You can see in the participants tab, this student is online, the other student is offline. So you can give access for them to make a move from white or blank or both. One white, one black. You can do anything as you wish. So you can add one of the students if you want to add any number of students during the class, and you can also remove the participant. And the moves are hidden by default. So let me load the game. So in the puzzle section, the week number 1 to week number 98 will be listed over here. If you upload any of the puzzles from your end, which will be available on top, you can go to the game section. Whatever the games which you have uploaded will be available over here. So click on this load game. So the moves over here, you can just walk through the moves. Like here, there is an option for variations. It will be in a pop-up. You can choose the main variation or the sub variation. This is number 1. And chat is nothing but group chat. Response is nothing but if some student wants to send a message. Let's say, for example, in this position, H5 is the best move. If they send it, you can say whether that is correct or not. And say, for example, you want to ask a question over here. Say, for example, 120 seconds, 2 minutes. You can give some negative scores if you want. You can give otherwise. You can just make it 0. You want to make it as 4 attempts, for example. And so in this position, A takes B5 and H5 is one of the options. Say, for example, you can also play queen into B, for example. So multiple variations are accepted in session and as well as in assignment. So if you ask this question, all the students in the session will get a runtime board. So if they make a move queen into b5 or a into b5, it is correct. If they move anything else, it is wrong. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So I can make a move like this. Yes, it's solved. So since I made 2 wrong entries, so 2 attempts, and there is no negative points. That's why 10 points has been allocated. You can end this. And engine is also available. You can just pop out. So you can see the moves and the engine simultaneously. And here quite a few tools we have given. You can just click on new board, and this is remove or show coordinates, and this is flipboard. And this pawn structure is nothing but, say, for example, you want to load this game, you go to this position. If you click on this pawn structure, only the pawns will be listed over here. And this is nothing but hide pieces. The piece will be hidden for the student. And this is set position. You can set the position very easily, like the right click of the mouse will be the other color. So you can set up, it is white to play or black to play. You can also flip the board and arrange it from the black side. Yeah. And if you want to paste any PGN, you can paste it over here. And here, legal moves. It will display the legal moves and illegal moves. The main purpose of illegal moves is nothing but you can explain to the student how do you develop the pieces in the first 10 or 12 moves. This is the main purpose of illegal moves, enabling illegal moves. And finally, say for example, shift. If you press shift and right click of the mouse, you can draw the arrows. Shift, control, and add. If you want to remove it, you can press escape button or this button. That's it. So that's it for session. You can click on exit. And moreover, before exit, you can just click on this noise suppression. If there is any noise in your background, yeah, that's it. So click on exit. So you can see the participants who has attended, who has not attended. And if you click on details, all the positions and the games discussed over the, during the session will be available over here. You can download as a PGN. This is applicable, this download PGN is applicable only for the coach. And upload document. If you want to upload any document, any PDF file, you can add it for this session. And any notes, if you want, you can add it. So that's it for session. And events. Events is nothing but, say for example, you want to take class for advanced session, advanced one, say 17th April to May, June, July. Say for example, for 3 months you want to take a class. It is 9:35. Click on save, come back, click on session. So 17th April to 17th July. If you see all the events, so 17th April, so 9:35 and 20th. So this is the recurring event. You can change the timing for this particular event, particular day. You can also delete it. Say, for example, you want to change the day after some time. Say, for example, after 1 week or 10 days or after a month. If you want to change the day, say, for example, Wednesday and Friday, you can change it. So if you go to the session and click on 17th April to, for example, 17th May, you can see here, it has been updated. That's it for events. And assignment. If you want to create manual assignment, you can enter the assignment name. Say, for example, this is beginner topic, like, and say, for example, you want to give negative score. And if you want to give attempt limit, time limit, deadline, and notified email, you can do it. You can just click on say student number one. You can select student number one and click on attack and capture. Click on save. So the student will be able to see under assignment menu. So click on assignment. So beginner attack 9:34 p.m. So click on solve. So now the rating is 9 out of 8. Points is 0. Say for example, group digit is the correct answer. Say for example, if I do a wrong entries, what will happen? Yes, it will not allow. So if you make the right entries, 9 out of 8 becomes 9 out of 9, and 3 wrong entries, that's by 7 points. That's it. This is how the student will be able to solve it. So you can see here, view the student one. What are the wrong entries? What is the right entry? This is incomplete. 1 out of 50 solved. What is the points they have secured? That's it. And one more thing, in the assignment menu, you can click on student view also. Whatever the assignment which you have given for this student, whether it is manual or in automatic, whatever it is, everything will be available over here. So let's click on database. So in the database, the main purpose of database is nothing but uploading the opening repertoire or any master games, and you can also upload with multiples of 100 or 50. This is nothing but games. Say for example, you have 1,000 games. How do you want to split the PGN? You want to split the PGN in multiples of 50 games or 100 games. So you can choose it as you wish. So I have uploaded 96 games of Fisher in multiples of 100. So that's why I'm getting this one. So just let me click on this. So you can see the moves over here. This is how the student will be able to see. So if you want to share this PGN, so click on it, click on share. You can choose the student and share it with the student. If the student wants to share, yes, they can also share it with you. And this assistant coach can share this PGN with the main coach as well. Main coach name is Vijay. And tournament, yes. Tournament, you can create automatic tournaments or two automatic one. So 17th April, say for example 9:40. So 5 plus 0, what is the time you want to give? I mean 3 plus 0 or 5 plus 0, whatever the time limit you want to give. And interval between the rounds, you can choose it. And as of now, Swiss format standard variant is available. If you want, you can choose the academy level rating system and automatic or manual. These two things. Automatic means you can choose the students and click on the number of rounds. I mean, enter the number of rounds. Click on submit. That's it. It will be automatically starting at 9:40. Yes, 9:40. Let's go back. Let's click create and manual. Manual one. So 17th April. Say for example 9:41. 38. 5 plus 0 interval between the rounds, and I will choose as manual. So let me click on these three one, and let me make it as one round or two rounds maybe. So click on submit. Yeah, this is manual 9:38. So click on view. So it will be automatically starting at 9:38. Student number one versus student number three as of now, and click on publish. So these two students can play. You can see the live game, and in the game zone, you can create any number of positions. Say for example. Uh, So you can choose the student, I mean, this position like this, and who has to play, and click on whether it is win or draw or whatever it is. It's a beginner content. So click on save. So you can click on it. So students can play with the engine from this position. This is nothing but practice with computer. And reports, you can click on a particular student. You can see number of sessions attended and assignment related stuff and tournament related stuff for this time frame, for this time period. Next module is blog. Main coach will share the blog with the assistant coach. The analysis will be on the top, and the game along with the variations will be at the bottom. And in the settings page, the board preferences can be updated over here. And you have to just click on save after updating the same. Thank you.